Hi, I'm Anna with Bath Concepts, and I'm going to walk you through this stunning modern designed bathroom. I'm loving the gold and black mixed metal that we have here. This is a very modern take and it's very customizable, so you can mix the gold and the black. The lightning shower walls being acrylic is very easy to clean. There's no grout lines, and I just love the aesthetic design of it. It's so modern. You can tone it down, or as you see in this bathroom, you can really glam it up. So right here, starting with the shower here, we have this premium soft close shower doors, and you'll notice this just moves so smoothly and you can't hear it. It is so quiet and soft. And then as you step inward, I just want to note this black shower pan. You don't really see a black shower pan all too often, but I really love the way this color just pops against the lightning acrylic walls here. You just see this black veining in the walls just matches so perfectly with the matte black pan. In the corner, we have this slanted metal matte black shelf, and it also has these two hooks here which you can hang something off of, like a loofah, which is very nice. And the water just drains, so you don't have to worry about that water just sitting there and getting stagnant and gross. Further inward, we have this niche insert shelf here. What I really like is that these two shelves are nice and big. You could put a massive bottle of shampoo, conditioner, and you're gonna have plenty of space. And the really nice part is when you're showering, you're not bumping into it because it is fully inserted into the wall, giving you that extra space. And we have the Moen Align Showerhead here in brushed gold. The nice thing about this showerhead is it maintains a beautiful modern aesthetic. It also is designed to conserve water while maintaining strong water pressure. And I really like it with the matte black mixer. I think that clashing of metals is just such a modern take. You also have the brushed gold footrest, which is great for people who are shaving. You want to put your leg up to shave. It's really handy, and it also is non-slip, so you don't have to worry about your leg slipping or anything. And it's just one of those features that sometimes you don't think about, but it's just so handy when you do have it. And then what I really love is that you can take these colors, this gold, the matte black, as well as the colors in the veining of the lightning walls here, and you could just extend those outside of the wet area and really just keep that flow going to have this stunning aesthetic bathroom. Thanks again for joining us on another bathroom walkthrough. Let us know if you would put this design in your bathroom.